Welcome to EasyMorph training. This is presented by EasyLytics. In this video, we will cover import, remove empty rows, and assign column labels. This is classified as intermediate video. So let's jump into it. So I will start by clicking on my EasyMorph. I'm going to start a new project and I'm just going to drop and drag an FX rate file. So here is my file. I will drop and drag it and then look at my specific file that I'm importing. So if you look at the table, you will see we've got column headings that doesn't make sense. So I want to illustrate to you that you do not have to import all the rows in a specific file. So if I click on the action import, you will see the details on the left hand side. This is load all columns and it says the format and it tells you if you skip lines or not. I'm going to skip the first line and I'm going to say load all, but I'm not going to load the trade weight index. So that's what I'm not going to load. Everything else I am going to load. So once you've loaded your data that you want to work with, you want to remove if there are any spaces or empty rows in the data table. The way that you do that is you select the drop down on the right hand side, you select remove rows, and you will select empty or no fields, and you will see those two rows has now disappeared. The next thing that I would like to do is to show the concept of trim tables. You can eliminate the first 6 rows, for instance, because we're just interested from row 7 onwards. So the way that I do that is I'm on the table, I add an action and I type in trim. So trim you can use either with top and bottom or with a specific condition. So I'm going to use the trim table and I'm going to ask that we remove the top. You can see you could use bottom as well, top 6 and apply it. Now I've removed all the rows that I do not want. The next thing that I would like to do is to make this row, that's at the first row, I actually want it to become the headers. So the way that I apply that is I add another action called label. So I start typing in label and select the label columns action, and I'm going to select that we do it for all except the first one. So selected column, and that one was called title. I'm going to include everything except title and apply it, and you will see everything has moved one row up except title has stayed, but that a row disappeared. So that is how we import starting from a specific row number or specific columns, how we filter out all empty rows, how we trim the table and get the labels to move up from the first row to the top row. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website easylytics.com.au or send us an email support@easylytics.com.au. If you would like to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, see you soon.